Hey guys, Theo here and hope you're having a spicy day, and thanks for joining me in my kitchen. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but sometimes you just want a nice fat stack of pancakes. So I'm going to show you how to make some delicious cream cheese keto pancakes. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my videos. Alright, let's get started.
In a blender or food processor, blend together your cream cheese, eggs, cinnamon, coconut flour, low-calorie sweetener, I use Swerve, and blend together until smooth. Now, grease your skillet, I use coconut oil, and cook your pancakes for about 2 minutes per side on medium to medium-low heat.
Alright guys, these are super easy to cook up, just a few minutes on both sides. Then you can put some butter, some jam, I put some sugar-free maple syrup, or you can even put agave or honey. Alright, let's see how they taste. It has a great cinnamon taste, nice and fluffy. If you like this recipe, it'll be found in the blog post below, and if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and comment to this video. And as always, keep it spicy.